This video will show you how to reload supplies on the Riso sf5130. Pretty simple process. If you'll notice on the control panel, it tells you how much ink and how many masters are left. So you'll always get an idea of what you have in the machine. But in the event you do need to change the supplies, it's as simple as opening the front door. First thing you will see is the drum. This is your drum. Inside is your ink. All it is a simple twist to remove the old cylinder. You take off the cap. Then once the cap is off, it simply slides back in the machine. Line up the arrows, as you see there, and twist. Then we come over to the master making roll. This is where our masters will go. Before you do anything, you press the blue button, and once it's lit up, it'll allow you to pull out the master making unit. From there, pretty straightforward. Everything that's blue you can touch. This just pops up. This piece unclicks, allows you to have the master roll here. I'm going to pull it back just so you'll see. So once you get a new master roll in, it just simply slides in place and you lock it in there. Then we'll pull a little bit of the master material out, and we will get it to where it will slide underneath the blue tab here. And once it's in, you'll push it till it stops. You'll fill it. You can actually spin this back so you don't have excess on there. Once it's loaded, just close it up. You'll hear the machine reset itself, get everything straight to where it needs to be. From there, just simply push the master making unit back inside the machine, close the door, check out the panel, telling you you're good to go, and that's how you replace supplies on the Riso sf5130.